Hello everyone and welcome to my first tutorial on Dataverse tables. In today's presentation we will be diving into Microsoft Dataverse and PowerApps. Those two are powerful tools in Microsoft ecosystem that enables organizations to securely manage, share and utilize their data. So whatever you are new to these technologies or looking to expand your knowledge, this session will give us a clear understanding of their capabilities and how they can be used to streamline business process. We will begin by exploring what Dataverse is and how it plays a critical role in centralizing and managing data. We will take a look at the current state of Dataverse, how it fits into a broader Microsoft ecosystem, and why it is a game changer for businesses. Then finally, by the end of this presentation, we will walk through a real-world scenario managing employee data to demonstrate how Dataverse and PowerApps can be integrated to build practical solutions. So let's get started. What is Dataverse? Dataverse is a revolutionary platform which is designed to help manage and share data securely and effectively. As data becomes more important in every industry, knowing how to organize and protect the data is a key to sparking innovations and making smart, thoughtful choices. Dataverse is an open source data management platform that allows users to store, organize and share their data in a secure and scalable environment. It was developed to help researchers, organizations and businesses to manage large amounts of data, ensuring the data is not accessible but also the data is protected. Dataverse help users create a structure for their data set, making it easy to find, understand and reuse the data across multiple projects. Secure data management. One of the core features of Dataverse is secure data management. It ensures that the data is stored in a way that protects privacy and prevents unauthorized access. With built-in encryption, security authentication and access control mechanisms that Dataverse has. Dataverse allows organizations to maintain and protect the integrity of the data. Whether they are dealing with sensitive information or large data set, Dataverse comprehensive security features can help us to comply with the regulatory requirements. Scalable platform. Dataverse is also a scalable platform, meaning it can grow based on our demands. As our data volume increase, Dataverse flexible architecture is allowing us to scale seamlessly. So whenever we are working with a small data set or managing terabytes of information, the platform can handle the increase in data without compromising on performance or security. This scalability is crucial for many organizations that they need to adapt to growing the data demands over time. Dataverse serves as a foundational layer for building powerful applications by seamlessly integrating with Microsoft Power Platform, and it provides a reliable and organized data structure, which is enabling smooth workflows and data-driven decision making. Whether we are building a small custom application or integrating with the existing one, Dataverse ensure our data is secure, accessible, and is ready to use. Definition and purpose. Now let's dive into the definition, the purpose of Dataverse. To put it simply, Dataverse is designed to make data management simpler, more efficient, and scalable. It brings together all the elements needed for efficient data storage, organization, and sharing by providing a comprehensive solution for both small or large data sets. unified data schema. One of the key features of Dataverse is unified data schema. The schema enables users to structure and organize data consistently across various data sets and projects. By providing a standardized framework for data, Dataverse ensures that the data is easily discoverable, accessible, and interpretable by all users. This uniformity is especially important when collaboration, multiple teams collaborate with each other, institutions as well, as it allows for a greater clarity and consistency when working with diverse data sources. Data management functions. Dataverse also offers a wide range of data management functions, from storing and versioning data to managing metadata and maintaining the data integrity. It covers all aspects of data governance. Those functions help users to track changes, to ensure that data is up to date, and organize the data sets in a way that makes them reusable and shareable. This is particularly valuable for research teams, businesses, and organizations that need to keep data organized but as well secure. Seamless integration. Additionally, Dataverse provides seamless integration with other platforms and applications. It can be easily connected to existing workflows and tools such as data analytics software, cloud storage services, or data visualization platforms. This integration allows organizations to extend the Dataverse capabilities and adapt to their specific needs without having to rework their entire architecture. So as a result, Dataverse becomes like a central hub for managing and sharing data. So to summarize the definition, the purpose of the definition is to simplify data management through its unified data schema and comprehensive management functions and the ability to integrate seamlessly with other tools. It empowers organizations to handle data more efficiently and ensuring it is well structured and easy to manage, as well accessible across different applications. With such capabilities, Dataverse serves as an essential tool for a modern data management needs. Keywords. Now let's explore some of the keywords that makes Dataverse a powerful and versatile platform for managing data. Those features are designed to offer flexibility, security, and seamless integration. Some of the key features of Dataverse include support for complex data types, role-based security, business rules, and integration with Power BI and Azure services. It empowers organizations to build applications that can adapt to their unique business requirements. Support for complex data types. Firstly, Dataverse offers support for complex data types. Unlike traditional databases that only handles like a basic data types like text or numbers, Dataverse is capable of storing and managing more sophisticated data structure such as images, files, geographic data, and custom objects. This flexibility is essential for organizations that work with diverse data sets. It's allowing them to store and process all types of information in one centralized platform. Role-based security, another important feature of Dataverse is role-based security. This enables organizations to define user roles and permissions at a granular level, ensuring that the right people have access to the right data. With role-based security, we can assign specific access levels to different users based on their responsibilities. For example, researchers may have read-only access to certain dataset, while administrator can edit or delete them. This feature helps protect sensitive information while ensuring efficient collaboration within the platform. Then we have business rules. Dataverse also support business rules, which allow us to automate and enforce a specific action or maybe logic within our data set. For example, we can create rules that automatically validate data before it's saved, ensuring that it meets the certain standards of or formats. We could also set rules for automatically triggering notifications or workflow based on certain conditions. These business rules help to ensure the data consistency, accuracy, and making it easier to maintain a high quality data across our organization. Integration with Power BI and Azure. Dataverse offers seamless integration with Power BI and Azure, as I said before. With Power BI, users can directly pull data from Dataverse to create visual reports and data dashboards, transforming the raw data into actionable insights. Additionally, the Dataverse integrates with Azure suite of cloud services, allowing for advanced data processing, analytics, and AI capabilities. This integration enhances Dataverse's ability to support complex analytics workflows and enables users to leverage the full power of Microsoft Cloud ecosystem to drive business intelligence and decision making. To summarize the key features of Dataverse including support for complex data types, role-based security, business roles, and integration with Power BI and Azure, making it powerful and flexible platform for modern data management. These features provide users with tools they need to ensure the data consistency, security, and accessibility while enabling deeper insight and smarter decision making. Present state of Dataverse. And now let's take a look at the present state of Dataverse. PowerApps Dataverse is currently evolving rapidly with new features and enhancements. Organizations are increasingly adapting Dataverse as they realize its potential for driving business efficiency and data-driven decision making. Rapid evolution. One of the standard characteristics of the Dataverse is rapid evolution. Since its inception, Dataverse has continuously advanced and is constantly adding new features, integrations, and capabilities to meet the growing demands of modern businesses and organizations. This rapid evolution means that the Dataverse remains flexible, up-to-date, and capable of supporting cutting-edge tools and platforms. Business efficiency. Dataverse is also playing a major role in improving business efficiency by streamlining data management processes such as data storage, access control, and integration with other tools. Organization can save time and resources that would otherwise be spent on manual handling or some other inefficient systems. Dataverse automates many aspects of the data management, reduces the redundancies, and facilitates collaboration, ultimately enabling the businesses to focus on their core objectives. As a result, businesses can operate more efficiently and more effectively, responding more quickly to the changes, to the market changes and conditions and demands. Data-driven decision making. Dataverse is enabling data-driven decision making like never before. With this centralized data storage, the seamless integration with analytical tools, and structured data organization, Dataverse empower organizations to derive valuable insight from their data. Decision makers can access accurate real-time information and use it to guide their strategies. Whether it is optimizing operations, whether it is optimizing operations like forecasting maybe trends or maybe identifying new business opportunities, Dataverse supports culture of data-driven decision that lead to a smarter, more informed choices at all levels of organization. So in conclusion, the present state of Dataverse reflects a platform that is rapidly evolving to meet the demands of the modern data landscape. With its focus on business efficiency and supporting data-driven decision-making, Dataverse is helping organizations to unlock the full potential of their data. It is clear that Dataverse is not just a tool for managing data; it is catalyst for driving innovations and competitive advantage. Next, let's explore some of the use cases of Dataverse, showing how this powerful platform can apply across various industries to streamline operations, enhance decision making, and improve overall efficiency. Customer relational management, CRM. One of the most use cases for Dataverse is customer relation management. Dataverse allows organizations to centralize customer data, manage interaction, and track customer histories in secure and organized way. By integrating with CRM systems, Dataverse helps businesses gain a deeper understanding of customer behavior and preferences. This insight enables personalized communication and enhanced customer experience, and ultimately drives customers' loyalty. Furthermore, with customer role-based security, businesses can ensure that the sensitive customer information is well protected while still being accessible to authorized personnel. Project management. Another key use case is project management. Dataverse provides an excellent platform for managing project data, timelines, tasks, and resources. By storing all projects related information in one centralized structured database, teams can collaborate more efficiently, keep track of the progress, and make data-driven decisions. Whether managing small-scale innovations or large complex projects, Dataverse helps organizations stay organized. Inventory tracking. Inventory tracking is critical use case for many organizations, especially those in retail, manufacturing, and logistics. Dataverse helps business to track inventory levels, monitor stock movement, and optimize supply chain operations. By centralizing inventory data, companies can maintain accurate records, avoid stockouts or even overstocking, and make real-time decisions based on up-to-date information. Dataverse scalability ensures it can handle large volumes of inventory data while maintaining security and efficiency, and making it to be a trusted solution for organizations that are looking to enhance their inventory management processes. With all that said, Dataverse versatility allows to be applied across a wide range of use cases, including customer relations management, project management, inventory tracking. By centralizing, organizing, and securing data, Dataverse helps business operate more efficiently and make more informed decisions. As the data landscape continues to evolve, Dataverse will remain as a valuable tool for organizations that are looking to unlock the full potential of their data. Scenario overview. Before we dive into the technical aspects, let's review some key benefits of using Dataverse for managing the employees' data. To summarize that, so central data storage. With Dataverse, all employees' data can be stored in one centralized database, making it easy to access, update, and maintain. Security and compliance. Dataverse role-based security ensures that sensitive employee data such as salary information and personal details is only accessible to the authorized users. Additionally, it helps organizations stay compliant with the data privacy regulations. Real-time collaboration with Dataverse integration with other tools, HR teams, managers, and other stakeholders can collaborate in real time, making decisions based on accurate and up-to-date information. Scenario overview, the managing employee data. As we reach the final part of today's presentation, we will explore practical scenario managing employee data. In this scenario, we will look how Dataverse can be used to streamline the management of employee information, ranging from personal details. In Dataverse, we will create custom tables to track employees' information. We will create just a small two tables, employees' details that will contain name, contact info, etc., and another table departments. Through the Dataverse intuitive interface, we will be able to design those tables, defining relationships between them as well. By the end of this exercise, we will have a clear understanding of how Dataverse can be used to manage employee data efficiently and securely. You will see firsthand how it is easy to use and it's easy to create tables, define the relations, and ensuring that data is both accessible and protected. And now let's transition to work directly to Dataverse table and build out this scenario. But first, requirements. Before we put our hands on PowerApps and Dataverse, firstly, you will need valid Microsoft account to sign in to PowerApps and Dataverse. Then PowerApps is available as a part of Microsoft 365 subscription, Office 365, Dynamics 365, or through dedicated PowerApps. Dataverse is a cloud-based data platform that stores data for PowerApps, and it comes with a storage quota depending on the license. Microsoft 365 users typically have limited access, while more extensive use may require additional Dataverse storage, which is purchased separately. To use Dataverse with PowerApps, you must have an environment, a container for your app's data and resources in PowerApps that has Dataverse setup. Administrators can create environments and configure Dataverse to support their applications. Appropriate security roles and permissions in Dataverse. Users must have appropriate security roles in Dataverse to interact with the data. For instance, an environment admin or a user with a correct role will need to be assigned permissions to view, create, or modify data in Dataverse. So if you meet these requirements, you will be able to ready to start building and using applications in PowerApps with Dataverse as data backend. That covers everything you need to start with PowerApps and Dataverse. Now let's move on to our scenario.